Palestinians in Gaza protest for 79th Friday. Netanyahu government relies on Arabs, endangers security. Terror groups along Turkish borders serve Israel's interest. Hamas. Syrian operation to resume if terrorists not withdraw in 120 hours. Trump hails Erdogan for pausing Syria operation. Turkey neutralizes 702 terrorists in northern Syria. Lebanese protest over proposed new taxes. Hezbollah chief supports Lebanon government amid protest. Lebanon Hariri's allies urge resignation amid protest. Over 20 Al-Shabaab militants killed in central Somalia. Taliban addicts 6 peace marchers in Afghanistan. Death toll from Afghanistan mosque bombing jumps to 62.